Because patients' population are rare disease, especially, can be very small. Every individual case becomes particularly valuable. So across Europe, several initiatives are now exploring how digital twin in healthcare technology can be translated in real settings. And one example of this transition from individual technology to an integrated digital ecosystem is represented by one project that is actually funded by European Commission, that is ERAMET Project, which I would like to briefly introduce to you. So ERAMET is a European initiative focused on rare disease pediatric that embodies many of the concepts that I discussed today and we will discuss today. And the fundamental ideas is quite simple. The future rare disease research does not lie in an isolated technology. It lies on the creation of the integrated ecosystem, where different methodologies continuously interact and reinforce each other. With this vision, patient-derived data, clinical expertise, biological samples, advanced in vitro models, artificial intelligence, mechanistic computational models, and digital twin technology in healthcare become components of a single knowledge generation framework. So each components contribute on different layers of information. Experimental systems generate biological evidence, clinical observation provide real-world context, artificial intelligence identifies hidden patterns or difficult to discover patterns, mechanistic models integrate all this knowledge and generate hypotheses, and digital twins in healthcare at the end create patient-specific representation. And together, this technology can support a more comprehensive understanding of disease biology and accelerate therapeutic innovation. So importantly, ERAMET project also recognized that scientific innovation alone is not sufficient. Translation into healthcare requires continuous interaction, researcher, clinicians, technology developer, patients, and let me to stress one point, regulatory stakeholders. For this reason, the project aims not only to develop, technologies, new approach methodologies, but also to establish the foundation of a sustainable ecosystem capable of supporting future rare disease and therapeutic development. And this ecosystem-based vision is increasingly recognized at European level as, a necessary step to fully realize the potential of new approach methodologies. This is just a sketch. Yes, Francesca,
sorry,
I'm
Francesco.
just concluding. Yeah, just concluding.
Yes, please. Thank you.
This is just a sketch of the work that we are doing inside ERAMET about ataxia telangiectasia. And the final thing that I would like to share with you is that we need to demonstrate among new approach methodologies that are now very, very sophisticated, that can be used also in clinical settings. We need to build an ecosystem for regulatory acceptance. And this is the work that we are doing inside ERAMET project. So let me to conclude, the technology are available, scientific foundation are there. The challenge ahead is integration, credibility assessment, and I believe that Europe is uniquely positioned to lead this transformation. So thank you very much for your attention.
Great. Thank you so much, Francesco. Super.